Hey crochet lovers, in today's tutorial I'm showing you how to crochet this beautiful sunflower granny square. It's bold, bright and perfect for your summer crochet project. This motif will be part of your stunning crochet crop top and you're gonna love how easy and fun it's to make. Let's crochet summer together. After crocheting this motif, it's very important to steam block it using a steam iron to help it hold its shape. I'll show you how to do that in the end of this video. Start with magic ring. Wrap a yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook under it and bring the yarn out from there and make a chain. This is how I make magic ring. You can use any method you like. Okay, then make 2 chains plus 1 chain in the start. Make a double crochet. Then make 15 double crochet more. Wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook inside the circle. Bring the yarn out from there. Now pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make double crochet. Okay, now we're gonna making our next 14 double crochet into the magic ring. Close the hole in the middle by pulling on the loops in the end. Join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the first, and then cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Bring your needle, insert your needle inside the 3rd chain here, bring it out and insert it inside the 1st chain again and bring it out. Here is our ending of row, and then secure the tail of the yarn between your stitches by moving between the stitches. Don't push too hard the needle, and then cut the tail of the yarn. Do this for the tail of the yarn from the magic ring and cut them. Okay, here is our first round. For the next round, round 2, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, go to the any stitch you like and make a half double crochet in there. Bring the yarn out from there and pull through 3 loops you have on your hook. Then make 2 chains, go to the next stitch and make a half double crochet into there, and again make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch plus 2 chains. 1, 2. From now repeat this diagram until the end. 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch plus 2 chains. Again 1 half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches plus 2 chains. Look, 1, 2, now 2 chains. Do this until the end of the row. Okay, in the end, after that you make your last half double crochet, join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. These are make our 2 half double crochet beside together, and now secure your tail of the yarn and fasten off and cut the tail of the yarn. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Every like, comment and subscribe makes my day brighter. Thanks for your support. It really means a lot to me. Okay, that's it. For the next round, make a slip knot on your hook. Then start from any chain to a space you like. Insert your hook in there and bring the yarn out from there. Then make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Then make 1 double crochet into the same space 3 chains again, make a slip stitch into the same space, then make 1 chain and go to the next chain space. Here make a slip stitch in there, again make 3 chains, 1 double crochet and 3 chains plus 1 slip stitch into the same space. Okay, again make a chain, go to the next chain space, make a slip stitch, 3 chains, 1 double crochet and 3 chains and 1 slip stitch in the same space plus 1 chain. Do this until the end for the all chain spaces you have. In the end, after that you make your last chain, make a slip stitch into the first space, and then for the next row make 8 chains in there. And now we're gonna making our stitches in the top of the petal in the double crochet. Here make 3 treble crochet together. First, for the treble crochet, wrap around your hook twice, then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, skip the last loop and go to the next treble crochet and then pull through all the loops you have on your hook. This is how we make treble crochet, 3 treble crochet together. Then make 8 chains and make a slip stitch into the chain space here, the 1 chain of the previous round. Okay, again make 8 chains and now make 3 treble crochet together in the double crochet of petal. Here pull through, skip again. All the 3 treble crochet must make in the same space in the double crochet. Okay, then make 8 chains again and make a slip stitch into the chain space here. Again make 8 chain and again make 3 treble crochet together in the double crochet. 1, 2 and 3 and pull through all the loops you have on your hook and then make 8 chains again, and after that make a slip stitch into the chain 1 space. Do this for the all petals you have on your round until the end. Then make a slip stitch into the last chain space and fasten off and tie the tail of the yarn. If you like my video, please send it to someone who needs a smile today. Okay, cut the tail of the yarns and here is our flower for the leaves by the green yarn. Make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook and start from the any petals you want in the top of the 3 treble crochet together and make a half double crochet in there. Okay, then make 5 chains and into the next petal, the top of the treble crochet, make 2 double crochet together, first and second, and pull through. Then make 2 chains again in the same space, make 2 treble crochet together, 1, 2, pull through all the loops, then make 2 chains, and now again 2 double crochet together in the same stitch and make 5 chains, 4 and 5. Go to the next petal and make a half double crochet in the 3 double crochet together, treble crochet together, sorry. Then make 5 chains and again make the corner leaves here, 2 double crochet together, 2 chains, 2 treble crochet together, 2 chains and 2 double crochet together. Now 5 chains. Go to the next petal and make half double crochet in the top of the petal into the 3 treble crochet together. Again 5 chains, the corners by 2 double crochet together, 2 chains, 2 treble crochet together, 2 chains and 2 double crochet together and 5 chains. Do this all in the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first half double crochet. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. If you're enjoying the crochet like me, you can leave sunflowers in the comment below for me. I would be happy to see your sunflowers in the comment below. Look, here is our flower. As I said to you, this motif must be steamed by the steam iron. Okay. For the next round, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook. Start from the treble crochet together in the corner here. Make a double crochet in there, 2 chains. Again, 1 double crochet into the same stitch here. Then make 2 double crochet into the 2 chain space here, the second, and 1 double crochet into the 2 double crochet together here into the chain space. Make 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 double crochet into the half double crochet here. Again 5 double crochet into the 5 chain space, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sorry, 1 double crochet into the 2 double crochet together, 2 double crochet into the 2 chain space. In the 2 treble crochet together here, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. Now repeat the diagram, 2 double crochet into the 2 chain space, 1 double crochet into 2 double crochet together, and in the chain 5 spaces make 5 double crochet until the end. Okay. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. Go to the chain space by the slip stitch and make a chain and 2 single crochet into the chain space. Now 1 single crochet into the each next stitches until you receive to the chain 2 space of the next corner. Okay, just making 1 single crochet into the each next stitches you have on your round. In the corner, make 2 single crochet. Do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet. Here is our granny square. It's done. If you want, make your square like this and make your last round by the chains for joining the squares together. Just making 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches and in the third stitch make a single crochet here. Again, make 4 chains 1 2 3 4, skip 2 stitch to the third stitch and make a single crochet in there. Do this until the end. If you want, join your squares together when you're crocheting your squares. Make 2 stitches. Go to your first square that you had made your chains over it, and then bring yarn out from there and make your 2 chains. Then go to the second square, skip 2 chains, and in the third chains make a single crochet plus 2 chains. Again, go to the next square, make 2 chains in there, go to the second square, skip 2 stitches. In the third, make a single crochet plus 2 chains, go to the next square and make 2 chains in the hole, and again do this until you receive to the edge of the in the corner of the both square, and like this. Do this for your all the square you have. Look, do this until the end and make your other side of your square and join them, this square to the other square. Okay, now I want to stem this square and show you how you must do. Flip your work to the back and pull it to the fourth side. Stem it with the stem iron like this with the 2 or 3 centimeter distance, and then pull your fourth side of your square, then push the petals a little, make them straight. Again, pull your fourth side of your square and push your petals, and done. Flip your work to the right side like this. Our square is ready to use and join to the other squares, and as I said to you, you can make your last row of the chains or without it, and you can use any method for joining your squares together, and done. I'd be so happy to see your work. If you try this pattern, feel free to send me a photo via email or Instagram. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for joining me in this magical summer adventure. Subscribe, hit the bell, and sprinkle some crochet love by sharing this video with your favorite humans. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.